So out of the gate, let's talk about reporting. That's one of the first things we want to start talking about here in the property management slash asset management conversation. Reporting, one of the biggest things that I see people go wrong with, right? You want to manage the manager as the asset manager, but not over manage the asset manager. And that's one of the biggest mistakes I see. So let's talk about reporting. Let's talk about what you should be doing on a regular basis. What's the right amount of management? What's not the right amount of management, what's too much. Okay, so what I recommend for multifamily asset management is that you are doing three things. Number one phone call or meeting, Zoom, whatever the case, with your on-site asset management team once a week. Okay, secondly, you want to be getting monthly reporting, and then third, quarterly reporting. So there's your three: weekly, monthly, quarterly. All right, so let's go back and talk about weekly again. Actually, sidebar, there is a document in the document section of this group. So everybody here, you can go back and look in the actual forum here in the document section. I have an asset management document up there you guys can download for free.